Jacques St. Germain. Continue 2 blocks on Royal downtown to the corner of Ursuline's, where you'll find a former corner store at 1039. Jacques St. Germain was an aristocratic newcomer who was about 40 years old at the turn of the century and never seemed to age. He claimed to be a descendant of Comte St. Germain, and soon there was a rumor that he was the Comte. He liked to throw elaborate parties with huge spreads, impressive food in an impressive food town. However, like he mysteriously never aged, no one ever saw him eating anything either. After a party one night around 1903, a woman escaped his home by jumping off the balcony. She was terrified and claimed that St. Germain bit her neck. She was able to escape because he was distracted by a knock. The police asked to question St. Germain, but it was so late and he was so tired. He requested that they do it in the morning, and the police agreed. St. Germain disappeared. In his home, they found nothing left but corked bottles of wine mixed with human blood. There are no references to these events in the newspaper or police reports, and we have no evidence of anyone named St. Germain at the 1039 Royal address. Alexander Bissek operated a crockery store out of this location until at least 1908. I had a harder time pinning down St. Germain's origin. It's possibly from the early 2000s, according to a post on Reddit. None of the modern tour books even mention this myth that I could find. This doesn't seem to be a part of Richard Rochester's repertoire. I asked a friend who worked for Haunted History Tours, one of the companies operating since the 1990s, and he said that they were true believers over there who didn't admit to making up stories or encourage anyone to make up stories. Haunted History and Magic Walking Tours were just 2 of the tour companies operating then. Several other walking tour companies in the mid-90s or early 2000s could have contributed to the lore with the St. Germain story.